Hello everyone, my name is Faizan. Welcome to TechandCube. So guys, today I have bought 5 different keyboard shortcuts that could be used on your browser. I mean any browser you desire. Brave, Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser you want to use. So guys, without any further delay, let's get into the video with the countdown. Number 1. So guys, many of us watching this video like to do many works at one time. But for doing that, we need multiple tabs to be opened. But if we want to save our time also, then this shortcut is for you. You can just open another new tab you want to open. I mean, there is only one tab, so you can actually press Ctrl plus T. So by pressing Ctrl plus T, you come to another fresh and new tab and you can do whatever works you want to do in this tab also. So guys, that was short and good. Countdown 1 keyboard shortcut. So let's move on to the countdown 2. Guys, this is the second keyboard shortcut that I'll be telling you. So now I told you that without your cursor you can actually do all these shortcuts. So now you would be asking me that, however, for closing another tab that you have opened, you have to move your cursor and click that X button which is there, and then only you can close the tab. But not now. You can just open a tab by using Ctrl plus T, and if your work is done on the tab, you can actually really press Ctrl plus W. By doing that shortcut, you can actually close your tab that you want to close. So guys, let's move on to the countdown 3 without any delay. Guys, this is my third keyboard shortcut. Whenever you want to store a tab as a bookmark, you usually go to the star icon, click it and rename the tab whatever you want and press done. So by doing that, you have created a tab on your search bar. But after learning this keyboard shortcut, I hope no one ever does this. So guys, you are just going to press Ctrl plus D, and by doing that you can bookmark any tab you want to. Then normally you are just going to rename the tab. I am going to rename it as video and enter, or you can also press done. By doing this you have also made a bookmark without using your cursor. So guys, now the second bookmark that I'll be telling you is that for making two tabs as your bookmark. Now many of us want to store space, right? So for doing this, there are two tabs in front of you. Now I will be making a bookmark of these two. So for doing this, I will be pressing Ctrl Shift D. So by doing this, as you could see, I have got a, a work done tab in which I could actually again rename like any name you want and save. So by doing this, you could see a folder like thing on my search bar. Now when I click this, there will be two tabs because I have made only two tabs as my bookmark. And if you actually save three or more tabs as your bookmark or folder, then you could get three or four tabs in option. Now if I want to open the first tab, then I could actually click on that to come back to the tab. So guys, that was my third keyboard shortcut. So let's move on to the countdown 4. So guys, this is my fourth keyboard shortcut. So many people around us, like using new things every time. So they also like using new web page for everything instead of opening a new tab. So for opening another new page, I mean another copy of the same browser, so that you could continue on with another work, you can just press Ctrl plus N. So by doing this Ctrl plus N, you could see that when I click when I just touch this icon, I could find there are two browsers on the Google Chrome. So for example, I can open something in this, and then I can go to another web browser, and then I can open another thing and continue my work. So that is my fourth keyboard shortcut. So let's move on to the fifth and the last keyboard shortcut that I will be showing you today. Guys, this is my last keyboard shortcut that I will be showing you in today's video. So guys, I know that each and every one of you face a problem when you by mistake delete a tab which you really needed. So for example, I was watching my YouTube channel's video which I deleted by mistake and I needed back. So in that case, what you're going to do is you're just going to press Ctrl, Shift and T. So by doing that, as you could see, I have got my YouTube channel's video back. So that's what you're going to do if you delete an important tab further. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think the video was informative, then please share it with your friends and family member, guys. And if you're new to this channel, then please hit that red button which is subscribe, then click the bell icon and choose all. So guys, today's like target is 5 likes, guys. So please fulfill the target. So that's all for today's video. Once again, thank you for watching. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.